The Boston Levin is a new brand, and among their range of products, we have 2 earbuds and 1 smartwatch. We have already made videos on those, do check them out on our channel, and in this video we are unboxing Boston Levin Storm 4D. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech, let's get started. Now here's the box. It has branding. On the sides there are highlights. On the back there is more information. Now let's unbox. Now these earbuds are available at $17.99 on their website and $11.99 on Flipkart and on Amazon. First we have earbuds case, followed by micro USB cable, some extra ear tips, warranty card and user manual. Now here's the case. Let me remove the cover. Now let's have physical overview. On top it has plastic tinted transparent lid and there is branding on it. On the front there is ports covered with a flap and a groove to open the lid. Rest is plain. Let's open the case. We can see a display and there are the earbuds. There is L and R markings in the case and in the middle there is a magnet for the lid. These are the earbuds. They have a logo on the back and that's the touch control area. And on the side there is ear tips and L and R markings and there are charging pins. Now this comes with a playback of 150 hours with the case and it has Bluetooth 5.2. It also supports IPX7 splash and sweat proof rating and it comes with Boston signature sound. It also has IWP technology along with ASAP charge. Now this weighs 132 grams. Now let's look at pairing. Take the earbuds out of the case and search on your phone for Levin Storm 4D. Tap and pair to connect. That's it. As for functionality, you can double tap on either earbuds to play or pause. Triple tap on the right to increase volume and triple tap on the left to decrease volume. Now coming to review, this case looks nice and it feels like it has nice heft to it, but it won't feel that heavy in your pocket. As for audio quality, it is nice and even at high volume levels, it sounds good. Overall it has decent quality and it has well-rounded and balanced sound. As for call quality, it is pretty decent. It is not too clear but it is manageable. If you are using this from indoors, there shouldn't be a problem, but if you are using this outside, you might have some voice breaks or voice cuts while talking. So try to use them where there is not too much noise. That's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about these earbuds? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.